everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys my Aldi's haul. Now, a lot of you guys are really enjoying these kind of shopping hauls, and I want to shop at Aldi's more. I don't know why I called it Aldi more. But I want to shop there more just because I find there's just more stuff, and I got to get it in my head not to get name brand stuff. Like, there's a lot of things that I like to get that are just name brand, but I just kind of just did this off a whim. My husband's like, to get this, and I wanted to get like one other thing, but I'm like, I just kind of grabbed a bunch of stuff, not having a list on me. But the next time I go, I plan on getting more meals. I want to start looking into more meals to make, but I am starting to make videos of the meals that I did make. I'm just waiting until fall happens so I can start, posting food videos, because right now I'm just kind of gathering them all up, and then I'll start sharing with you guys so I can start having a weekly food video for you guys. So yeah, so what I ended up doing is I got some things, and then I found some stuff at the checkout which I was super excited about, and these are these Way Better chips. Now, I got these at the Dollar Tree like a month ago, and I really wish I got more when I was there, but I was so excited to find these because I'm like, these are at Aldi. Like, these are awesome. These are the Way Better Avocado Ranch. Now, I've only had these kind. I actually messaged the company asking if they had any samples, but they haven't gotten back to me. But I really wanted to try all these chips because, like, we had to fight my son into getting these. We're like, Ben, just try it. No. Ben, just try it. No. Because, like, it's got avocado ranch, whole grain corn tortilla chips with sprouted flax, quinoa, and chia seeds, or chia something. But I'm like, these taste exactly like Cool Ranch Doritos. Like, exactly like Cool Ranch Doritos. And these are so much better for you. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to buy these. So these were $2.29. They're not the bigger bags. Like, these are the smaller bags. I actually have a bigger bag that I got at Target. But I mean, it's up to you guys. Like, this is $3.99 at Target, and this was $2.29. But got these so my husband can take some of these to work. So these are like the smaller size bags. Actually, I think this is the same size bag that I got at the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure on that, but I ended up getting 2 of those. The Dollar Tree that I found them at was at where my parents live, way up north, so I'm like, okay. Then I found this JellO pudding. Now, I thought, Ben doesn't really eat pudding, but I thought, you know what, let's get him some pudding. Maybe he'll want to eat it. But this is a vanilla pudding mix with gummy animals and graham crumbs. If not, I could always make these for like a snack for Ben's birthday party, because that is coming up right around the corner. So I got the vanilla pudding one, and then we also got the chocolate pudding, and this is with chocolate pudding, gummy creatures, and then chocolate cookie dirt. So it's just like Oreo cookies, basically. So I thought those were good for those. Not the greatest priced ones, because I've seen these at the Dollar Tree in the past, but that was years ago. But those were $2.89. I also got a gallon of milk. I left it upstairs, but the gallon of milk was $1.55. I think it was $1.55. Yeah, I got $1.55 for a gallon of milk, which is actually really cheap. That's probably one of the cheapest prices I went to. My parents live in Wisconsin, and I had a friend that lives in Minnesota, and like, they're just across the river, and milk was twice the price in Minnesota than it was in Wisconsin. It was so weird. So, but yeah, but I usually pay about $2 a gallon for that. I ended up getting this biscuit crust sausage and cheese breakfast pizza. It's sausage, country gravy, mozzarella, cheddar cheeses on flaky biscuit crust. I thought this would be something just to try in the morning for breakfast. I mean, I'm always craving pizza, so I'm like, let's just get this. So this was $3.99. I'm like, you know what? We'll try it. So I got that to try. I wanted to try their ice cream, and like, all their ice cream, like, the cover felt super loose. Like, I saw like some lady like licking ice cream like on the news, and I'm like, okay, I want one that feels like touch. So I grabbed this all the way from the back. But this is mint chocolate chip, and this was, I think, like $1.99 or something like this. What was this? $2.19. $2.19 for a half gallon or a quart, 1.5 quarts of ice cream. So I'm like, yeah, I'll try that. Somehow we ran out of butter. Like, I'm a person who stocks up on butter like crazy. I always have butter. Husband and I, we're bone dry on butter. Like, what the heck? So I ended up just getting 2 of them. I usually wait till I can get more sale prices, but I'm like, you know what? We need the butter. We need it. I gotta stop being cheap and just get it. So the butter was $2.75, which is an okay price. I usually try to go $1.99 for butter, but $2.75 when you're that desperate for butter, that's just what we do. I've been really craving hard salami, you guys. Like, I just eat this like for a snack. That's all I eat for a snack is hard salami, and I actually don't have a problem with this. Hey, baby.
I love you, Mama.
I love you too, baby. So this one was...
Mom, it's kind of getting dark.
Yeah, it is getting dark outside. What did I pay for this? This was $2.59, but, you know, this is like 4 or 5 snacks for me. So there was that. Husband really wanted some boneless chicken wings, so I ended up just getting him some of these. These were...
Can I put that word in my candy dispenser?
Yeah.
Give me that.
What?
That
This is... Oh, Tic Tacs.
Yeah.
These were... Oh, how much were these? These were $4.99. So this was kind
Why
of...
you got JellO?
It's pudding. We're gonna make a project with it. So $4.99 for some boneless wings.
Gummy.
Yeah, you gonna help me eat some of that?
I want to know if it tastes good.
You want to know if it tastes good?
I know it's like JellO.
Yeah.
I don't like JellO.
You don't like JellO?
I don't like JellO.
Okay.
Well,
Okay, so now we're gonna go on the dry items. I got my extra bag. Now I did grab a ad for next week because I like to get it, and I don't get it in my paper. But one thing that they do have that I actually recommend is they have this thing called an egg timer. What you guys do is you just put that little thing inside your pot, and then you just boil your water, and when that thing is fully changed colors, that means your eggs are hard boiled. I love that thing. I use it all the time. But yeah, they have it for $2.49 for next week, so I thought that's kind of a cool.
Can you open this?
Oh, Daddy will open it upstairs for you, honey. But otherwise, I don't know if there's anything else. Oh, that pizza's in here that I just bought.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Nice little utility card, a crayon, some like, it's a lot of like home goods stuff. But yeah, I just like looking at the ad real quick. Ooh. Okay, so yeah. So I also got some chewy brownie fudge brownie mix.
Oh, you got the brownies!
Brownie mix, these were just 85 cents. I make these all the time, so leave that, put that on the countertop upstairs and I can make it for you tomorrow. Then I just got some mixed vegetables because in case I ever am like making something and I just want to add, like I've been making hamburger helpers lately, and I just add like a can of mushrooms or some fruits or vegetables to it just to add to it. So if I'm ever making stuff like that, I'll just put those to it. So I got these mixed vegetables. These were 48 cents a can, so I think that is a great deal. And then I also got some mushrooms because, like I said, I just add mushrooms to stuff that I make, and I'm like more into making things at home, and I need to have more of this stuff on hand. I was going to get some other vegetables, but I was just buying stuff on a whim. But once I get more recipes figured out, I'm going to definitely start buying more. But these I think were these were 65 cents. So 65 cents for mushrooms, but I love mushrooms. And then I got this for Benjamin just because just wanted to have some juice, but this is just... This is 100% juice.
Jesus Christ.
We don't say that.
Sorry.
100% juice, fruit punch. I don't know how much sugar is in here, but 23 grams of sugar. So there's a lot of sugar in here, but I thought he could have one a day. So I got that for him, and that one was $1.49. So I was pretty happy about that. But that was my haul. It's just a little like on the whim haul. I ended up spending $36.42 for everything. That is awesome. I didn't have to pay tax. That's awesome. Like half the time, you know, they make you pay tax, but I guess none of the stuff was considered junk food that you don't have to pay tax. I'm surprised the JellO you didn't pay tax on, but I know like candy and junk food, all that stuff you pay tax on. But $36.42, I guess, for all that stuff. I ended up getting 18 items, so not the greatest haul, but I just wanted, you know, get something to go. I was at CVS earlier today, and then I'm like, okay, I really want to go to Aldi's, but I wish I had a plan, but I will next time, but I'm hoping you guys enjoy these Aldi's hauls so I can show you with you guys more deals. Please give this video a
thumbs up for Bucky.
Thumbs up for Bucky. But yes, I will definitely do more hauls for you guys. And again, thanks for watching. See you guys later, and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.